Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Madden NFL 25 game crashing on your PC. I will show you guys the different and effective solution that fix your problem definitely. So first make a right click on your taskbar and you will see the task manager, simply open it. And guys here just need to close all the background application. Now you will see the memory or the CPU on the top. If these are above the 90%, then this means this is the data symbol and you just need to close all the background application that you are seeing on the top, because this application consume a lot of CPU or RAM on your PC and causing your game crash. So make a right click on all of these, then just click on the end task, then go to the startups on the top, and guys here just disable all the background application, because when you start your PC these applications start automatically without your permission and causing a lot of CPU or RAM usage and causing your game crash. So make a right click on all of these, then just click on the disable. Now the next setting that you need to apply the privacy settings. So go to the Windows search and just type it and open it. Now here on the left hand side just scroll down and you will see the background apps. Just click on that. Now here just make sure that this option is off on your PC, because these are also the application that run on your PC and cause your game crash. So make sure you disable all of these. Now the next important setting is the system configuration settings. So go to the Windows search and just type here the system configurations and open it. Now go to the boot on the top, then just click on the advanced options. Then just check this box of the number of processors and just select here the maximum number of processors you have. If you have the 4, 16 or the any value, then just select it. This will increase your game performance. Then just go to the services and then just check this box of the hide all Microsoft services. Then just disable all of these, because these are the useless services that run on your PC and cause your game crash. So here you will see I have already disabled these. Then just click on apply. Then you must need to restart your PC to apply the changes, then launch the game and your any kind of crashing problem will be fixed with this game. And if yes, please don't forget to like this video, and bye bye and take care.